Welcome back to Learn BC. Please like and share if you're loving this content. Share the love. Let's get started on the vendor posting groups. So just here we've been talking through our master matrix of all of the different postings that are relevant for Standard Business Central, and today we are talking about the vendor related posting groups that affect the vendor card. So let's go take a look at Business Central. Here in Business Central I have Fabricam Inc. and I'm gonna click on here and you're gonna see against the invoicing tab the posting details. We've got a general business posting group, same as the customer. Okay, we have a GST business posting group, we have a vendor posting group. Okay, what does this mean? Well, when you're posting a document, the document gets created, and as it affects the posting, it turns around and uses the vendor posting group to determine on the vendor card, it will determine where their debt that you owe them sits on your balance sheet. It also has credits and a bunch of other things that relate to vendor level. So if you wanted to group your vendors and you've got different types of vendors on your payables, total payables on your balance sheet, you want to split that, you would have different vendor posting groups. From the general business posting group, this comes through and it hits here and determines based on the match with the general product posting group where your costs, COGS, etc. are going to be relating to this product that's being purchased. Okay, so how the purchase side of the transaction and the holding of interim inventory and stuff like that. The last piece against the vendor is the tax business posting group, and this tax group flows through and hits the tax posting setup, which is a major matrix, and it combines with the tax product posting group. So depending on the business and the product determines where we take up the liability, or if we take up liability at all. Actually, it's not a liability because it's a paid purchase, so it would be tax paid for your on your GST statement. So they are all of the posting groups on the vendor card, and yeah, there you go. Thank you.